Have you ever struggled with organizing and summarizing large sets of data in Excel? Today I'm going to show you a game-changing trick that will simplify your data management like never before. If you are tired of sifting through endless rows and columns just to find totals, then this lesson is for you. Stick around to learn a method that will save you time and boost your productivity. Previously, we relied heavily on pivot tables to get a quick summary of our data. While pivot tables are powerful, they can sometimes be a bit complex to set up and manage, especially for those who are new to Excel. We needed a simpler, faster way to get our totals without all the hassle. Now let's dive into the solution. Suppose you have this table and you want the total revenue for each of these continents. The fastest way to do that is by selecting any of the continents and sorting A to Z. Once they are in order, we go to the Data tab and click on Subtotal. When we click OK, Excel automatically calculates and displays the totals and subtotals for each continent. It's that simple. As a result, we now have a clean, organized table with all of our totals and subtotals neatly displayed. Much like a pivot table, but with the added benefit of being grouped on the side, allowing us to easily expand and collapse sections as needed. This method not only saves time, but also makes your data much more manageable and visually appealing. So the next time you need quick totals in Excel, you'll know exactly what to do. Feel free to ask any questions arise, and see you in the next video.